mengubah titik poin pengereman, dia akan mengubah kecepatan di saat masuk dan keluar tikungan. Tentu ini berdampak ke kemampuan atau kinerja ban yang dipaksa lebih kerja keras. Lain kalau dia sendirian.
Kalau dia sendirian kan berarti titik pengeremannya sama.
Di situ, tikungan kecepatan di situ. Artinya benar-benar
kayak latihan lah ya.
Ya, setuju.
Benar.
Sekarang masalahnya belum ada. Kalaupun pamannya ada, tergantung di sirkuit tertentu. Yang memang waktu saat kemarin Vinales bisa melawan di Sachsenring dan di Assen. Nah, ini harapannya terhadap Ducati sangat besar. Karena yang paling bisa mengimbangi saat ini praktis tinggal Ducati ya.
Betul. Atau paling enggak ya ada Quartararo mungkin yang bisa
mudah-mudahan
sedikit
jadi
bikin
bumbu-bumbu
seru gitu
lebih
ya.
seru.
Start from Marquez, he got off like a rocket ship. What about Dobby? I don't think he's going to be able to contend. Is he? No, it will be Marquez. Look at Miller, he's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was briefly in third place. Can Dovizioso use the power of the Ducati as they head through the fast king into turn two? They're side by side, Marquez and Dovizioso. Did they almost touch at about 320 kilometres an hour? How tight was that, Marquez? Up the inside, they both run wide.
Neither of them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have a Yamaha leading of Quartararo.
Wow.
Oh, he's off the seat there, Marquez. Miller goes through, Rins goes through, remarkably. This has been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dobby's up the inside as well.
Heart-stopping start here in Austria. What a dramatic start to the Red Bull Ring Grand Prix. It's Fabio Quartararo that leads. Alex Rins tried to find a way up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left the door open for the Suzuki man. Dovizioso is in fourth place. What an early scrap there between Dovizioso and Marquez. They really toughed it out going into turn 3.
Not many people have got their fists out with Marquez so far this year. And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dobby up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third. Marquez tried to pounce on the number 43 now as well.
Rossi's jumped on the rear tyre of his factory Yamaha teammate Maverick Vinales. Rins made a meal of turn number 10, lost all of his drive. Dovizioso powers on through. Dovizioso second. Quartararo leads by 8/10.
Here comes Miller, up the inside of Rins. Rins really did lose out then on the exit of the final corner. Now Marquez tries to get in his slipstream. He's going to fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already. Marquez up to 4.
Brave move that by Marquez through that fast kick turn 2. Maverick Vinales is trying to find a way through the inside of Pecco. Magno, I think he made it stick. Rossi trying to force the issue on Alex Rins as they power down the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge, he started 10th, he's already inside that top 5.
Something's happened to Crutchlow and Polispargaro. That could be a big disaster for KTM here at their home Grand Prix. Their names have just...
hit the back of the pole and the bike stopped and I hit the back of Rabat. It was one of those things, and now I get to watch the epic battle between Mark and Dobby and listen to Matt Burton and Steve Dale on commentary.
Thanks, Cal.
Thanks, Cam. I hope you enjoy it.
I was waiting for an additional supplementary comment there.
Yeah,
taking the mickey. I was ready for it, I was braced for it. Yeah, he would love to have been watching that battle from his LTO Honda, but unfortunately Cal Crutchlow racing instant. So he will see this epic battle, as he put it, unfold and rage on between Marquez and Dovizioso. Dovizioso is brilliant on the brakes down the hill into turn 9. We know that the Ducati's famed for its braking stability, not just got good horsepower, he makes up a lot of time into that penultimate corner.
16 laps gone, 12 to go.
Yeah,
as you were at the front.
That was a good lap for Dovizioso. He came through sector 2 over 2/10 down over the line. It was just 0.08 of a second.
There were a couple of areas on that last lap, you're right, Matt, where Marquez just looked like he was on the edge a bit. Everything under control so far. Further back is a Good scrap going on for 8th between Nakagami and Oliveira. Oliveira is on for a really good top 10. In fact, Oliveira's now gone up into 8th, so he's got another rookie up ahead of him in Pecco Bagnaia. In the battle for 3rd, well, Quartararo asking huge questions of the Ducati man, isn't he? Marc Marquez, he's asking huge questions of his front Michelin tyre right now as well. They kink right, they're going to go through the woods and the trees, and now this is where Dobby has his chance to cut the gap once more. There will be 1 lap remaining when they come over the line next time around. Dobby's got to get closer.
Can Dovizioso get in the slipstream of Marquez? Can he attack? He's got a good drive out of turn 10. He's lining up the move down the start-finish straight. He's trying to get the inside line on the brakes into the first corner. Marquez squeezes him. Dovizioso's having none of it. He's got the inside line and he leads. Now he's wide.
Oh, he's wide again, and now on the comeback, Dobby's got to try and get back up. Can he get in contention to get in the slipstream now up the hill?
Down into turn number 3 they come. Dovizioso, is he going to be close enough? Will he lunge up the inside? No, he won't be.
Marquez backing it into turn number 3. That's 1 chance gone. 1 chance gone for Dobby.
How has Marquez got any front tyre left? He's pounding and punishing that front end. Is Marquez. They drop down the hill into turn number 4 for the final time of asking. Dovizioso is not close enough. Turn 6 and 7 coming up where Marc Marquez has been unstoppable. Dovizioso's running out of corners here.
There's only 1 place left for Dobby. He's got to get the drive down the hill into turn 9. Otherwise, it's going to be Marc Marquez ending the Ducati run.
Through 7 where Marquez has been so strong. Through this left-hander, Dovizioso's not going to be close enough. It's all about the drive out of turn number 8. I don't think Andrea Dovizioso's going to be close enough. Has Marc Marquez ended Ducati's domination of the Red Bull ring? Here comes Andrea Dovizioso. He's going all in for the victory. Marquez standing firm.
Turn 9, turn 10. Dobby's up the inside.
Block
He's
pass.
got it. It's a block pass. It's a run to the line.
He's got it.
He's done it. It's
What a
4
move.
for Ducati and Dobby.
Alhamdulillah akhirnya prediksi saya